Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on VIVO X80 Lite. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. And here click this button to skip introduction. Now click not now and then click open permissions. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again. And now you can click start. And now, as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.